y'all doing? So, it's me again. Hi. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to properly refill your Zippo lighter with lighter fluid so it lights. So, first you're going to want to go to any store, buy Ronzinol or something else for all wick lighters. You want Ronzinol or something, but it has to say wick lighters. Else you can, but don't fill it with gasoline or something like that. So just get this, I'd say. And be really careful, because it's highly flammable. Alright, so you want to take your Zippo and open it up. Like that. And here's the top, as you can see. Now, if your flame dies like this, or it just doesn't light, then you need more lighter fluid. So you're gonna open it up, and there's the fire guard here, and yeah. So if you light it and the flame lights for a minute and then goes out, then that means you need a refill, or if it doesn't light at all. So, okay, so you're going to want to take it like this and go just like that. There's your shell with your design on it. You're going to set that aside for a second, like that. Now you have the inner casing, and in the bottom is where you put the lighter fluid. Lift to fill, right there, like that. Okay. So, you're going to want to open up your Ronzinol. Like that. Now that little hole there, that's where you're going to want to mostly pour it. Now I pour it till it just barely starts to leak up top. I'll get it real nice and soaked. Or a little bit less than when it leaks out the top. Yeah, that's probably good. And you're going to want to take maybe just a little bit more, actually. Okay, you're going to want to take your casing and make sure this here is facing the right way, like that. Go like that. And just put it back in. Slide it back in. There you go. Now, for safety reasons, I would recommend opening it and letting the fumes evaporate for maybe 5 or 10 minutes, so when you flip it on, it doesn't burn your hand, because it'll light on fire and light your hand on fire, especially if you got fluid on it like that. So I'm going to go wipe that off, and yeah, so just let that sit for a minute. Alright everyone, I'm back. It's about 5 minutes or so. That's about all you need to give it. Maybe 10, depends on the amount of lighter fluid you put in it. So now you got your refill Zippo lighter.